All right, we're on, Bill.
This is a Keene triple sluice box dredge. If you look, it has 3 sluice boxes. It helps us recover a lot higher percentage of gold that is suctioned up through the hose. This is a 13-horse Honda, which is much better than your Briggs & Stratton. It has a heat exchanger so that you can hook up a small hose and pump warm water into your wetsuit so you can stay warm while you're underwater working.
Is that right here? Is that what this?
This is a heat exchanger right here.
Okay.
The jet tube comes with a jet tube, 30 feet of a suction hose.
The 30-foot hose is on the side of the house, right?
30-foot hose is sitting over the side. If you see over here, you have your hookah airlines, so you can run 2 divers at one time for safety. Okay. And also the green hose is pumping warm water down to go inside your wetsuit. Keep you warm.
And the warm water comes back from this heat exchanger.
That's correct.
Right here. Now, Bill, can you tell me what's going on back here? We've got a pump, it looks like. And
this is a high volume pump for the jet tube. This is the pickup. Normally this would be vertical, but sitting here in the driveway, it's got to be in this position. I put wire mesh over to keep little bits of debris from going up inside. It's something you'll learn when you gold mine, that you need to modify a few things once in a while.
This is a pretty modified setup, right, Bill? Trial and error?
Yeah. Our last trip we took 26 ounces of gold, and what we include with the dredge is I will give you a detailed map that we actually use for our gold mine site, and I'll show you some pictures of where we mined, and it'll be up to you if you want to go to that place or not. But we did very well, and I can explain to you the layers where the gold is, but that goes with the package. Okay. The maps and everything.
Okay. What's this silver tank here? Did you already say what that was for, Bill?
First of all, if you look here, you've got a blue pump. This is a oilless pump for breathing air. It pumps it into the tank, and then from the tank you have the two blue hoses that feed down to the underwater divers that are doing the suction work.
And so the silver tank cools the water off a little?
No, it's just a place, if one diver starts breathing real heavy, it's kind of a reserve, and just so you have an even flow. It's a much better setup than just having 2 lines coming off. What
is this homemade looking little trough, Bill? Can you explain that?
This is just something we picked up for doing fines. You hook your garden hose to it. If you got some black sands, you pour it in at the top. It just filters down, and gold is 9 times heavier than gravel and sand.
Okay.
And your gold catches on the little ripples, the same as in the blue carpet here.
How many ounces did you average on a day once you were up and going?
We were about 2/3 of an ounce a day. Some days we take 2 ounces, some days we take a ½ ounce. It just varied by the layer. The deeper you went to this one layer, if we could stay in the one layer all day, we could have taken 6 ounces. But you have a lot of overburden to get rid of. So in that overburden, you're getting 1/4 to a ½ ounce a day, 3/4 of an ounce a day.
Okay. Sure, you'd be more than happy to anyone who wants to purchase this. Spend as much time as you want telling them what you did and how to use the equipment. And, okay.
It was probably the last trip was the best trip I've ever taken anywhere. It was like living on the river. It was good. It just was good.
All right. So we've got. Let's go over here.